Let's review some of the basic activities that typically occur during the cycling of an injection mold. The mold is heated or cooled to the correct operating temperature by running a coolant or a heated oil through the mold's thermal control lines. The mold cycle starts in the open position. As the mold closes, guide pins line up with bushings in the mold to assure that the mold halves line up correctly. The slides, or cams, are moved into position to allow the plastic to form the desired details.
Melted liquid plastic is then forced into the mold through the nozzle of the press and then into the sprue bushing of the mold.
The plastic flows through the runner system of the mold and starts to fill the cavities. As the cavities fill, the air that's trapped in the mold is vented from the mold through venting channels. As the cavities are filling, the melted plastic is usually 350 degrees Fahrenheit or hotter, and the steel mold is about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So the temperature of the plastic is lowered by the cooler steel, and the coolant that runs through the mold carries away the heat and keeps the steel cool. The mold opens when the plastic parts have cooled enough to allow the formed parts to hold their shape. Slides or cams are pulled back as the mold opens. Finally, the ejector system pushes the newly formed plastic parts from the mold. At this point, the ejected plastic parts are still very warm. The mold closes and a new cycle begins.